Hello, Scratch Kitchen. How are you doing? How are you holding up? Oh my goodness. We've got a lot going on. I mean, so much. I'm going to be uploading a video tomorrow on books that I'm going to be reading over the winter, including a lot of cookbooks I'm getting from Anna Garden. It's just fantastic cook. Everything she does is so easy, so approachable, and I absolutely love her cooking. Alright guys, here is November menu. Now as you know, Adar Antonia has got her wisdom teeth coming in. I got a call tomorrow, Monday, to get her an appointment with an oral surgeon to pull them out. Because you're going to have to go in, cut, remove them, and they'll be gone. So, our menu might have to be a little flexible this month. But the overall is the honey lime chicken by Carrie Truman. Oh my god, that was so delicious. So, we're going to do that twice. Salmon, we're going to do twice. Pizza, twice. We got Thanksgiving and Thanksgiving leftovers. Breakfast for dinner. Pretty much each Saturday, we're going to do that. Pulled Hawaiian pork, yes, we're going to do this. I'm going to do a Burrito Bake. Soup 4 times at least. And it could be more depending on how Antonia's teeth goes. So, we're going to get back to doing a make your own takeout. It's going to be the Olive Garden spaghetti sauce and meatballs. I really miss going to Olive Garden. I do. One of my favorite things was the Alfredo, and I like their meatballs. Oh, they're so delicious. And I'm also going to do the other make your own takeout is the Panda Express fried rice. So good. I'm going to use either chicken or pork in it. I don't know yet. I'll decide when we get there. I will do that with y'all. It is divine. And the Burrito Bake, I'm going to do a lot of recording, okay? Now last year I recorded the Thanksgiving planning process, the do one side dish a day thing. And last year I broke a turkey down. Never again. You cannot break a turkey down the way you do a chicken. No way. You literally need somebody with hands of steel and strength to break aluminum. Just incredible amount of strength. They have to be able to take on a bear to do this. But that is the overall plan of our menu. Now it's based on everything we have here already. So I literally do not have to buy nothing else special. Except maybe the Hawaiian barbecue. So, guys, why don't you share your November menu? Would love to know what y'all gonna do for the month or go by the week. Whichever you're gonna do.